Everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete your Shopify store. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you're going to do first, you're going to go ahead and access your Shopify that you have installed in your mobile phone, and this kind of interface is going to pop up once you have get logged in here in the Shopify app, right? So here you can see in the store section, inactive stores, you can see the two examples. So if you would like to delete store, you're going to go tap on it and tap on this open option afterwards. Simple thing for you to delete a store would be simply deactivating the store and by going to the settings of the plans, right? So you can see we do not have purchased any plan. We're going to go ahead, tap on select a plan, and right, so let's say if you have chosen any plan from over here, including starter, basic, any of the plans, you're going to go ahead, deactivate that particular plan for your store. And then afterwards, if you're going to find this option called deactivate store after you have deactivated the plan itself, then you're going to select a reason for your deactivation and then click continue, and then you will be able to deactivate a particular store from Shopify like that after following the given prompts itself. So that will be it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.